So, in addition to domains and ranges, another concept that we might also discuss when we have our functions would be where it is increasing, where it is decreasing, and where it is constant. Now, increasing, decreasing, and constant are very, very intuitive ideas. And so I've got up on the screen the same graph that we looked at with piecewise functions. And so it's got a little bit of everything in it. The easiest way to describe increasing and decreasing, for that matter, would be that if you were walking along the function there's you walking from left to right, so you're moving this direction. Are you walking up a hill, are you walking down a hill, or are you walking on a flat surface? And so it looks like where we start here, we're constant from negative infinity all the way to -2. Now, to be clear, we want to give intervals of x values. So from negative infinity to -2, we would be walking on a flat surface, so therefore be constant. And then if we continued walking in this direction, we'd be walking up a hill, so increasing from -2 to 0. And we would include the 0 on that as well. As we continue to walk, now we're going down a hill from 0. Whoops, not that. We definitely want to make sure we have our brackets correct. So we'd have an open 0 to positive infinity. We'd be walking down a hill or decreasing.